In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional columns in Power BI Desktop. Conditional columns let you automatically label or categorize your data based on rules you define. Things like, if sales are greater than a number, mark it as high, or if a text field contains a keyword, return a specific label. They're quick to set up and incredibly useful for making your reports easier to analyze. Start in Power BI Desktop. From the Home tab, select Transform Data at the top. This opens the Power Query Editor, which is where you shape and prepare your data before it's used in visuals. You'll see your queries listed on the left, a preview of your table in the center, and applied steps on the right, so you always know what changes have been made. Next, choose the table where you want the conditional column. If you have multiple queries, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct one. The conditional logic you create will apply only to the table you've selected, so this helps keep things organized and accurate. Now, go to the Add Column tab and click Conditional Column. This tells Power Query you want to create a brand new column driven by your conditions, rather than modifying an existing column. It's the cleanest way to add logic without overwriting your original data. In the dialog that appears, set the parameters for your conditional column. Give the column a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Then define your rules. Choose the column to evaluate, pick the operator, such as equals, does not equal, greater than, less than, or contains, enter the value to compare against, and specify the output you want when that condition is met. You can add multiple conditions, and the order matters. Power Query checks them from top to bottom and stops at the first match. Don't forget the else output at the bottom, which is what the column should return if none of the conditions are met. Make sure your outputs have a consistent data type, like all text or all numbers, so the column behaves predictably. Click OK, and Power Query adds the conditional column to your table. You'll see it appear in the preview, and a new step will show up in the Applied Steps pane. If you want to refine your logic, you can open the step and adjust your conditions at any time. And there you go. Your conditional column is in place and ready to support clearer, more dynamic reporting. That's all.